These are the craziest nature destruction videos from the past 10 years. Before going into the video, give it a like and subscribe.
Hold on. Hold on. Don't move.
This man went on a tour boat to visit the glaciers in Iceland when a piece of the glacier actually broke off and fell into the water.
Wow! Wow! The wildest thing I've ever tried in my life.
2017, Greenland was hit with a tsunami.
Hey,
Back in 2020, this cruise ship was on its way to Ireland when it ran into some pretty heavy waves. Back in 2016, these people were hiking in Argentina when they realized that they were in a really bad spot. This guy was loading up his car when he realized that he forgot his wallet. Back in 2018, this massive mudslide in Switzerland was caught coming down a mountain. In 2023, this driver in China was almost hit by these falling rocks. In 2014, this volcano exploded in Papua New Guinea and it created a huge shockwave.
Here we go.
On November 30th, 2018, a 7.0 earthquake hit Alaska. This volcano in Indonesia erupted and created some of the craziest volcano lightning you will ever see. Nebraska had some pretty crazy tornadoes earlier this year. Back in 2019, a super rare event happened that allowed parts of Southern California to receive snow. And they also got to experience what snow and lightning is like.
But I know I'm gonna get wet. And look up, like, our street is starting to flood.
It's on your way to work. This is what the morning commute looked like for people driving into Los Angeles back in December 2017. Back in 2019, this giant landslide happened in China. About 12 months ago, a super intense tornado went past this guy's house in Illinois. To watch more content like this, make sure you like, share, and subscribe the channel.